What is going on, everybody? It is Jamie, and welcome to the channel, Thrift on Fire. Today's going to be the first garage sale video of the season. Hopefully, we can continue these every week, provided that the weather is nice enough that people are having garage sales. This is a long weekend in May. All this footage was from Saturday. I'll probably get back out maybe today and even Monday, so there might be some more footage coming from this weekend. But this video, I wanted to get edited and put up for my Monday video. So, the other thing going on right now is you can see there's some work happening in the shed. We're trying to get the hydro hooked up. We got all the lines trenched for the hydro as well. Hopefully by the next video, I don't have the floor installed yet. That's the plan. I talked about having the flooring installed. It's back here on the ground. So that's all stuff I'm going to be working on over this long weekend. Hopefully I can get most of it done. But yeah, excited to get back in the garage sale season. And here's the first video. Let's get into it. How much are your shoes over here? Well, I guess the boots in particular, these guys.
$5.
$5? Yeah, that's okay.
Do you have money?
Yep. Did you buy something already?
Yeah.
Okay.
She was going to pay for you.
Oh, well, yeah. Should have waited, right?
No, I should have waited.
Oh. Thank you.
I can find them on the internet for a couple $100.
Yeah.
But I was going to start trying to find some of the ones that I did have. I had that one.
Right.
And I had a 68. Always 98. Couple of
Need a hat to wear to Boston?
Yeah, there's a couple.
I think I bought a Boston hat, didn't I?
I mean,
Yeah.
I don't remember if I did or not.
well, the 98 always that I got rid of.
Bruins.
Still, it had
Oh, CDs and stuff.
50,000 miles on it.
Good morning.
Hi, how are you? Anything on this table is $1 each.
Alrighty. Got a feeling it's country. Yeah. Oh, no, wait, Hanson. Is it good? What is that? I don't know what that is actually. Bats.
Do I have? Yeah, it's just like a spinning little bats.
Jimmy Buffett's. Default? Jeez. Made the mistake last time and making sure they were not in
Yeah,
there.
but they're in there.
Yeah.
Zombieland?
Zombieland, yeah. Jimmy Buffett's. Seeger. Alright.
Is it gonna rain?
Oh gosh, I hope not.
I hope not too. One minute it's warm, next minute it's freezing
I
and
know.
dull and sunny and
I hope you stay dry.
crazy.
Thank you.
Take care of the state. And he said they want 16 grand.
I think I'm gonna grab your Vans here.
Yeah?
Yeah, thought about it. Oh, I think all of them. Just the Vans though.
There's red ones too.
Yeah, it's red and then multicolor ones, right?
Yep. What a good deal.
I was gonna take the black ones.
I think they're they're Supras.
Supras? Oh yeah. Yeah.
Maybe for you and I'll probably.
I might have. I only have a 50 though.
Oh, I
Is
have a
that gonna
20.
work? Oh, okay, yeah, you can.
Then I'll only owe you $15. You're taking those ones?
You ever been to the dance outlet?
No. Is it Niagara Falls? Or where is it?
Yeah, St. Catherine's.
Okay.
You should go there. They got some really good stuff.
I've not.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I will.
You'll spend all your money. Thank you. You want a bag?
No, we're just up here. It's okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Too.
And we have just a few to go with it.
Selections,
You need to
yeah?
buy, you need to buy these bucket peas.
There you go.
Yeah, keep you watching all winter.
Are they still,
Well, some brands are better. Toshiba's good. It's
I
always been a
would
good
say are they
one.
still selling like crazy?
Pretty good.
It's hard to find them now, right?
Yes. I was trying to see where this one was made, but I don't see it right on there. I mean, yeah. Typically, but that doesn't mean that's Indonesia suited me. It's fine though. I don't know enough about how to date them, but you can date them by when they were manufactured. Yeah.
Sorry.
That's good.
Actually, I have some.
Yeah, she does.
Oh, like creme brulee or whatever you call that. It's a Turvis, 75 cents. What's it say in it? Oh, it's a breast cancer one.
Do you have to have the handle on it?
No, I don't think so. I see Blue Jays ones like that. I thought it slid off.
Would it clean up?
I think so. So one of you guys just think 5, and I'll just give you $1 for this to make it easier.
Make it 6.
Unless it's $75, then we gotta talk about it.
Then it's priceless. Yeah, that's right. All right,
probably not
so,
a Yeti.
so,
No.
so I owe you 14. So there's 4.
Yep.
And maybe a couple 5s here.
Alrighty.
go.
That's
Thank
perfect.
you.
Thank you. I don't know that I've ever seen one of these either. The 2005. Yeah,
Don't let me.
it's huge.
Yeah, if you're interested, just make me an offer.
I don't know what I would do with it. That'd be the hardest thing.
eBay it.
Well, yeah, but yeah.
You usually see what you find out on it. Thank you. She's gorgeous.
Somebody's calling this a poster,
Okay.
but I'd say it's got the
Yeah.
same thing there. It's got the same. This one's got like some mold or something on it. Anyway, up there you can see the cut lines where it has
Yeah.
like the little cut things. This is on high bid. Somebody was asking $50 is what they. But it's definitely not a poster though. That's.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know.
Well, no, it's a sticker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't really know. I would honestly give it to one of my friends is what I would think I would do with it. And I don't think I'd give more than $10 for it. So I wouldn't sell it for that if I was you. Yeah. But if you wanted to sell for $10, I would take it. If you don't,
we'll do
would
it.
you? Yeah.
Yep.
He's a big Chiefs fan. I'll make his day happy for $10. So. Yeah.
I got a treasure too. See?
Oh, I might have to get more change in my car. Oh no, I do have $10. All right. Awesome. The wind ain't gonna help us, but. Actually, I'll try to. Here, I'll give you this. I'll try to roll it from this side because it's less. Got less stuff going on already. There we go. That's perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm sure he'll be happy. Really like horses. Oh my goodness, this is what I want.
What? Yep. Cool.
It's missing it's missing the power supply. There's games in there. I don't know what they want. Like, just look at how messed up Mario Kart is, but still. Worth asking them anyway.
Yeah, I think so.
Like that. I don't know if I have a power cord to test these. Let's see, more Nintendo cables. Okay, so are you the pricer? I've got these Nintendos. I don't think this goes in here. There's two, and then I don't know if they work. Ask somebody? Okay. So it's missing that thing. Which is important. What's not important? The jumper pack, is that what they're called? Okay, this one does have something.
Somebody wanted it already.
Oh, somebody wants it already?
I put it on Facebook.
Okay.
I'm sorry about that.
No, that's okay.
Too much garbage.
It's okay.
Yep, that's okay.
What's in your head? I'm sorry
Totally
about
understand.
That. I am.
Yep.
Right now, wait now.
Yep.
No worries.
Now, I think I probably dodged a bullet with that Nintendo stuff. First of all, I have no idea how much they actually wanted for it because when I was asking for a price, obviously it was already sold. You know, I don't know if it worked first off, so we're getting on-tested, which is typically okay if the buy cost is lower. But when you looked at a lot of the cartridges, like they were either sun-faded, damaged in some way, and not in great condition. So, you know, I wouldn't want to pay up for any of that stuff for sure. So I don't know, at the end of the day, unless it was like 20 bucks for the box, I probably would have regretted buying that at some point, even though, you know, the consoles probably would have made some decent money. Like I said, it all really would have depended on the buy cost, but the condition of that, so the stuff in the box was actually dirty, dusty, maybe sun faded, some of the stuff, and, you know, potentially dodged a bullet, or, you know, either way, I didn't get it, which is, you know, I don't know. Like I said, I think the Nintendos themselves, even if it was just parts and repair, would be okay, but the game or the actual games themselves looked to be pretty beat up when you really started to look through them a little better. Anyway, I think we're going to end this one right here. If you guys like videos like this one, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. We'll see you guys soon.